As part of a special joint initiative, India and Israel are developing a novel coronavirus rapid testing apparatus that will be able to produce results in mere 30 seconds. In a series of tweets on Wednesday, the Israeli mission in India announced that the special planned flight will carry a high-ranking Ministry of Defense R&D team from Tel Aviv to Delhi in the coming days. This team has been working alongside India's chief scientist K. Vijay Raghavan to develop a rapid testing kit for COVID-19. Since the outbreak of the global pandemic, Israeli PM Netanyahu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have held 3 telephonic conversations in which they promised mutual assistance in dealing with the virus and committed to joint technological and scientific research between the countries, the Israeli mission in India stated. It went on to say, merging Israeli technology with Indian development and production capabilities aims to allow swift resumption of normal life alongside the virus. The COVID-19 pandemic is a global challenge, so it is only right that the solution be a global scientific cooperation between countries. India and Israel's military R&D cooperation is well known for its success. I have no doubt the same will be seen in the private sector, joined by brilliant scientific minds from both countries to introduce a breakthrough in swift and simple testing procedures, Dr. Ron Malka added. India's Vishwanathan Anand suffered his second consecutive loss, going down to world number 1 Magnus Carlsen in the second round of the USD 1500,000 chess 24th Legends of Chess online tournament. The former world champion had kept the Norwegian ace in check in 3 games of the best-of-4 contest before slipping 1.5 to 2.5 by in the final game late on Wednesday. He had gone down by a similar margin to Russia's Peter Svidler in the opening round. He takes on another former world champion, Vladimir Kramnik, in the third round. Anand is back in action after having last participated in the Online Nations Cup in May. Carlsen is in joint lead with veteran Israeli Boris Gelfand and Svidler. All of them have 6 points after 2 victories each. Legends of Chess is a unique event where Carlsen, Liren, Nepomniachtchi and Giri, semi-finalists at the Chessable Masters, receive an automatic invite. They are up against 6 legends aged 40 to 52 who have been at the top of world chess at various points in their career. The tournament is part of the Magnus Carlsen Chess Tour. The winner of this event will qualify for the USD 300,000 grand finale scheduled from August 9. Airstrikes in eastern Afghanistan killed 45 people, including civilians and Taliban, local officials said on Wednesday. Ali Ahmad Faqidia, the governor of Adraskan district in the eastern Afghanistan province of Herat, said at least 8 civilians were among the dead. 45 people have been killed so far in airstrikes by security forces in the Kamzariyarat area. Taliban were among those killed, he said. The results of the investigation will be shared with the public and the media. The National Defense and Security Forces have the responsibility to protect the lives and property of the people. In this regard, they use all the opportunities and facilities and will not spare any effort, the statement said. The United States is winding back troops under an agreement with the Taliban struck in February, which was meant to pave the way to formal peace talks between the insurgents and the Afghan government. However, disagreement over the release of prisoners demanded by the Taliban and rising violence around the country have hampered progress, and talks have yet to start.
Dear friends, you are requested to subscribe our channel by pressing the subscribe button and also press the bell icon and the like button to get our daily notification and updates of our channel.